Yo. Here comes the announcements, yo. Sunday morning, Student Ministries. November 7th, 2004. We will be directing the 10:45 service in the church. Oh, man. Sign up and stuff, be in the back. Oh, y'all, come. Peace.
Yeah. Here come some more announcements, dog. Yeah, Saturday night, November 13th, 2004. We're having a Pizza Hut night. Bring all your family, eat a lot, and we get paid some money. Peace.
Yo, what's up? Saturday, October 16th, we're going to play paintball. And it's $4 per person. I did, he come get me.
I'm in a small group. Are you in a small group? Why ain't you in a small group? If you're in a small group, just tell me and I got you covered. Peace out.
Yeah, my muscles. Creative team. Wednesday night, 6 to 7. Come down and you can make a difference in group. Yeah. And you could come see me and my muscles do my work. And you could do your work by coming to group and making a difference. Now. Group. Yeah. Cut it out. Yeah, now. I ain't playing. My muscles just come, okay? I'm done.
We're gonna catch us some good ones today. We'll tell you down here at the fishing hole. Yep, it's gonna be a good old day. I'm gonna keep my trusty old Billy Bob Jiggly Wiggly in my tackle box. Let's do some fishing. Catching anything. I've been sitting here fishing for about 10-15 minutes now, and I ain't caught a fish, so I'm gonna go walk out there and find him. Look at it! Oh! That's what you call a leaf fish.
Billy Bob, what are you doing?
I'm fishing in a fishing hole.
You're not supposed to fish in a puddle, you're supposed to fish in a lake.
But no, you see, the less water there is, the smaller body of water you fish in, the less water there is for the fish to swim all over the place, so the less water you've got to cover to find the fish. Understand me?
That's crazy. Bye.
Bye, Gary. Oh, Lordy. Oh. Oh, Lordy. Oh. He's running. There he goes. Oh! Whew! Got the bait back and everything. I've been here for about half an hour now. Now, longer than a half hour, about 2 hours, and ain't caught no fish. So I'm gonna go ahead on and go move myself to another hole. Alright? And I might even change my hat. York Creek. Hopefully there's a lot more fish in this hole, a little deeper. Count them. 1, 2, 3. Basic elements that you need. Alright, location is number 1. Location is the first element of fishing. If you're not where the fish are, alright, if you're not where the fish are, you ain't gonna catch nothing. Alright, that's number 1. Number 2 is your hat. If you ain't wearing the right hat, all the fish are gonna do is swim to your bait, look at your hat, and say, nah. That guy ain't wearing a two-bill hat like mine. He's gonna swim away and go hide. And the third most important thing to fishing is the bait. Like I'm using a Billy Bob Jiggly Wiggly. It's a really small lure here, but you know it turns them up most of the time for me. Alright? Let me show you what the Billy Bob Jiggly Wiggly does. I'm gonna set up for one more cast, see what I can catch. Oh, son! Oh, Lordy! Look at him! Whoa! Holy shoot! Look at that! I caught something! Oh! Now that's a fish, alright? That's something you take home to Billy Sue and you say, hey, Billy Sue, will you got this for me, please, Billy Sue? And you know what? She'll be more than glad to get it. And this is a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. We call a rainbow trout. Beautiful fish. Yeah. Well, I don't have a stringer. I forgot one of the important things is a stringer. So we're going to stuck this sucker right here in my pocket. Alright? That's my dinner. That's it. It's all about fishing when you come on out here. It's about helping other people. When they get their boat or their cast stuck in the lake, you gotta help them push it out. Alright. Now we got this guy's boat out of the water, or car out of the water. Yeah, what do you think about my fish? Like my fish? Right? Yeah, nice fish.
My God, that's a real fish.
Look at that. That's a fish.
I thought it was a plastic fish.
You know, the Christian life is a lot like fishing. Just like all the fish in the sea, puddle, creek, river, lake, swamp, just like they all want to come into your boat, so does Jesus want to come on into your boat. Wait a minute, I got that backwards. Hold on. See, Jesus is a fisherman. He puts out the bait and tries to draw us into his boat. It's more like that than what I just said. Just ignore it. Okay, I'm done.